Kailash Chandra, passage number 8, part 2. Start. As a matter of fact, many other sources believe that the figure is far higher, but in any case, there should be some pretty and some ideas as to the extent of the rehabilitation problem which still remains before the people of West Bengal. Full stop. Paragraph. The other contradiction is this. Full stop. On the one hand, says that in the near future they will be making a successful completion of the work of economic rehabilitation of refugees in that state, but only last year AJP said that as yet the problem of the displaced person from Bangladesh was a matter which was giving some concern. Full stop. I really do not understand why, in spite of AP Jain recognizing that the people problem is still quite serious, should have made such a statement. Full stop. Yet, when we heard the Honorable Finance Minister, we find that there has been a big shortfall in rehabilitation budget. Full stop. Para. I think that if the fact-finding committee's report had been published, the assessment that we have rehabilitated about 50% of the people of Bangladesh who came over as displaced persons would have become quite clear in regard to its incorrect. Full stop. As a matter of fact, when we went round the campus and colonies in West Bengal, we found that as yet, not more than 15% of the people have been rehabilitated in the sense that they are able to out their substance on the poorest levels. Full stop. It is not more than 15%, and I think the figures of the fact finding committees are still lower. Full stop. I think this is something that we have to take very seriously and put our minds to, and apply all the resources that we have to find out how we will be able to tackle this problem of rehabilitation. Full stop. Para. Now, coming to the question of relief, I feel that until we are able to give really proper rehabilitation, we cannot withdraw relief. Full stop. It is no use arguing whether relief leads lethargy and moral slackness. Full stop. Unless our rehabilitation policies are fruitful, have we any right to starve the people of death? Question mark. As a matter of fact, AJP may know that in West Bengal, the incidence of amongst the refugees population is very high. Full stop. Only a small percentage of them is catered for by the medical relief given by Directorate of Rehabilitation. Full stop. If I am to tell you the tragic fate of the refugees in the West Bengal, full stop, I would refer you to a report which appeared in February, 1954 full stop.